उत्सव तीन रंगांचा नभी आज सजला. नतमस्तक मी त्या वीरांना ज्यांनी भारत देश घडविला. First of all, on behalf of Vasantdada Patil Shikshan Sanstha's Honorable Chairman Mr. Dashrath Patil Sir, Honorable Director Mrs. Padmavati Patil Madam, as well as on behalf of Honorable Headmaster and Headmistress of Primary and Secondary Section of Sri Swami Samartha Vidyalaya, as well as on behalf of all the teachers and non-teaching staff of the school, and I, Mr. Hemraj Patil, Assistant Teacher, wishing all of you here a very 74th Happy Independence Day. Dear all, due to pandemic situation of COVID-19, as we all know that it is impossible for all of us to celebrate our Independence Day by going to school. So our school, Sri Swami Samartha Vidyalaya, thought over this critical situation, and with the inspiration and guidance of Honorable Mr. Dashrath Patil Sir, we all teachers decided to celebrate this Independence Day innovatively. As it is the need of time, we all try to reach you by using modern means of technology and try to inculcate patriotism, and by staying home, you are also able to participate in our national festival. By watching these videos, I am sure now you really miss your school with all the enthusiasm and feeling of celebrating our Indian festivals. After 1947, the travel and progress of our country really make us proud to say to be an Indian. But now, not only our India, but also all the world is facing terrible situation of COVID-19, which we experiencing in our day-to-day life. Due to our casual approach towards our responsibilities, dear friends, India will progress only if we understand our responsibilities. As our nation wants a few small action from each of us to transform. So let's take care of our parts and stop criticizing. In the same way, we should also empower women by cutting the barriers and make them free, by supporting and treating them equal to men. So we should start it by empowering the women at home first. We should also eliminate all cultural differences from our heart and mind and treat everyone equally. We must ensure that India stays clean to make it disease free. Why others should suffer for the field that we create? So support Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which supports cleanliness. We must be wise and use the available resources judiciously because they are lifeline of a country. We must contribute to an orphan's future. You need not to be part of an NGO for this. Don't follow others blindly. We must be mature enough to differentiate between right and wrong. We must always do what our heart says. So finally, you will end up contributing a lot to the nation. As our father of the nation, Honorable Mahatma Gandhi says, the future depends on what you do today. So be responsible and enjoy the freedom.
शून्य में संभावना आता हमें है देखना. विश्वविद्यालय तक्षशिला विश्व को पहला मिला. शल्य सुश्रुत प्रदान है, दुनिया के लिए वरदान है. जग को हमने ही सिखाया वसुधैव कुटुंबकम.
Atmanirbhar Bharat is the mission and vision of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to make India self-reliant. This concept got its place during the pandemic situation of COVID-19 and its effect on the growth of economy as well as Indo-China border conflict. as the whole world is going to lockdown. In that situation, our Indian government specially focus on making India self-reliant and save our country from the economical crisis. The Atmanirbhar Bharat movement got its boost from the native businessmen and industrialists. For that purpose, we must be inspired ourselves from our great history of ancient India as well as the modern national heroes of India in all the fields. The situation on the borders and the lockdown had the people and government to go for local to local strategy. The people are willing to pay a bit extra to encourage our local producers and manufacturers. As our defense minister declared that we should manufacture all the weapons in our own country and not export them from other countries, it is also a sign of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The latest changes in National Educational Policy means NEP will also encourage the skills to be self-reliant and contribute to the society to take a step forward to be Atmanirbhar. In the current pandemic situation of COVID-19, the vaccine trials and production are also going on high scale to be ready at the time of export. The PPE kit manufacturing and exporting has reached new heights and we are now the second most exporting nation in the world. So Atmanirbhar Bharat or Local to Local mission is one of the most important mission which give importance to the Swadeshi productions as well as make us our India a developed nation. Now, in current situation of COVID-19, as a responsible citizen of India, we must follow the rules and regulations which are set by the government for our safety from COVID-19. Wash your hands many times for 20 seconds in a day or sanitize your hands if water is not available. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Third, catching cough and sneezing into a tissue paper or hanky and dispose it safely. Next, fourth, stay away from people who are ill. Next, fifth number, if there is emergency, in that case only come out from your house by wearing mask. And the last, keep social distancing in public areas. So now it's time to say goodbye. Once again, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.